Hey guys, a package arrived. Now what should that be? So here we have Mtech rear bumpers made out of ABS plastic from Ukraine. Here are the front bumpers and the front aprons. Looks pretty good. And then it's the same bumpers there, and I also have side skirts. These are for my buddies. So hey guys, so about a year ago, just before I put the car in storage, I bought ABS plastic Mtech 2 body kit, well, bumpers and side skirts that I was gonna put on this summer, but when I looked at it more, it needed some, like, because they don't come cut out of the form, and you need to modify them to fit in the lights and everything like that, cut it all out, and also like figure out how to make brackets and stuff for the bumpers. And to make it proper, I would have to use the sliders from my original bumpers to make it work like I wanted to, and make some changes. So I decided to let them go. I sold them to another person, and because I want to keep the stuff from the car in the original shape, I do not want to tear it apart and damage it if I don't have to. So I sold the kit, and I'm putting my attention to the 5-lug swap and the motor swap I have coming up. So just to focus on that and finish that off before doing anything else. And maybe I'll find a different kit later, but we'll see. Yeah, so that's why I decided not to go for the ABS kit. So I was gonna make a review over it when I was going to modify it and put it on the car, but after deciding it was gonna take a lot of time and to cut up my original bumpers and stuff, so I decided against it. So that's that. So see you next episode. I just wanted to put it out there. So thank you.